welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. Today I'm doing a very different type of video and you can see different things on my table, and that's because I'm a fruit person, but I realized that I always stick to one fruit every time. Like once I like a particular fruit, I just stick to that fruit, and too much of everything is not good. So I decided to do or try new fruits, and I decided to bring you guys along. So today it's a fruit mukbang. So I'm going to be telling you their names and I'm giving you my my opinion on them, if I'm still going to take them or not. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. I'm going to be starting with kiwi. Did you know that kiwi has two types? I didn't know that there was the gold kiwi and then the regular green one that we know. I think everyone knows kiwi, so I'm just going to try to taste both of them and give you guys the difference and which I prefer. I usually take the green one, but this will be my first time trying the gold one. This is what it looks like. Oh, this is so nice. This is so nice. I think I prefer this to the green one because it's a bit too sweet for me though. Sometimes the green one tends to have this slappy taste. See the green one. It's definitely sweeter when it comes to when I mean sugary type of feeling. Like it's sweeter than the green kiwi. So if you like something sugary, I think the kiwi gold would be perfect for you because it's really doing it like really sugary. The next fruit we have here is peach. Looks really nice. Almost looks like this red apple type of thing. So I'm just going to cut it open. I think I've had peach once or twice. I don't know how I feel about it. So it's just the feeling is going to be good as new. Was I supposed to use a knife? But anyway, do they eat the back with peach? Okay. Let me have another bite. It's not bad, really. It's not bad. I don't know how I feel about it. I could just really eat apple and rest because I don't know how I feel about it. The next fruit we're going to be trying is the dragon fruit. I mean, like the way this fruit looks, yeah, it's really dramatic. I don't know how I feel about it. This is my first time actually seeing dragon fruit in person, and it's going to be my first time tasting it, obviously. So let's just try it. Oh my god, I thought it was white. It's red. I thought dragon fruit is usually white though, but then it's really still giving the vibe like the seeds and the everything that dragon fruit gives. So I'm just going to try this. Please let me know in the comment section if dragon fruit actually has the white one, because really I think I've seen the white one. Please. Oh my god, I'm so afraid. No. I don't know if this is the good one, but no, it's not doing it for me. I'm just going to scrub this out and move to the next room because I'm sorry. Then next are these small looking beautiful. They look very attractive. The name is lychee or something. Lychee, I don't know. I think it's a Chinese fruit. So it looks like, I don't know if you lot can see. So according to the woman, I'm supposed to open it before eating what is inside, and I'm very much afraid. Oh my god. Wow, this is what it looks like inside. It looks white, like clear white. So yeah, I'm gonna have to taste this. Oh my god, my heart is beating, guys. I don't know. Oh my god, it's nice. It has seed, like a brown seed in it. I'm not going to try to buy this seed because I'm not looking for trouble. This is really nice, you know. Oh my god, I'm so surprised I like this because it doesn't exactly look like a fruit that's going to be sweet per se, but it's sweet. It's nice, it's sweet, but I definitely will not eat this so much. It's nice. Look out. I've had pomegranate before, but it wasn't exactly the best experience because it wasn't ripe, it wasn't sweet, I don't know. But I like the wine-like taste pomegranate gives, and I'm about to try it. I think you're supposed to open it by the sides. It's a struggle here. Send help. Send help! It's like grains inside. I don't know if you all can see. Oh. So I think you only have to eat the grains. I don't know if you eat the white part of it, but this is what it looks like. See, they're falling out. They're literally just like one. So I'm just going to try that. I don't know if this is ripe or it's mature enough, but it's not as concentrated as I thought. Like the very first one I tried. But if you're somebody that likes to juice fruit, this fruit is definitely for you. Because like it tastes like wine. If you can have like a bunch of grains in your hand and then you throw it right into your mouth, it will taste like wine once you pop them. So this fruit is a yes for me. The next thing we're going to be trying is this baby right here. I don't know if she's a fruit or he's a fruit or it's a fruit. But I don't know, but I think it's melon seed. Some people call it yellow watermelon. I don't know. It smells nice. I'm just going to crack it open and then we'll know what's up. It's giving pawpaw vibes, like papaya vibes. And I think I've tasted this back in Nigeria. Looks very familiar now. Yeah, it's giving pawpaw vibes. Let me try to open it. Inside it, like this one looks like, it has seeds. So yeah. I'm just going to slice it open because I don't think I'm going to slice one part. Just going to slice one open and try it. Oops. And it definitely doesn't have seeds like watermelon. So if that's your problem trying melon, then you don't have an excuse to not to try melon again. Okay. it definitely doesn't taste like watermelon. Whoever said this is the yellow watermelon, like, watermelon is my favorite fruit, so this doesn't taste any close. But doesn't taste bad either. It just has like, you know, the way watermelon is like very watery, like so much water in it, and sometimes it tastes diluted. It's giving the same vibe, tastes diluted, but with another flavor entirely. Yeah, it's nice, it's not bad. I feel like if you want to enjoy this, you enjoy it cold. I'm about to compare the yellow melon to the watermelon. Ooh, rhymes. Send help. Ooh. What is going on here? The watermelon is not the normal one. It's the yellow one. I think this is what people were saying. It's not red. Oh my god. I'm so heartbroken. But like, I guess everyone knows the red watermelon. So we're just going to take this as an advantage to taste the yellow watermelon, I guess. So I'm just going to try this. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's like watermelon, but it's yellow. I don't know how that works, but let's just try it. Now, this is definitely giving the yellow watermelon. Not this. This has to be another fruit. This has to be another fruit. Because this one still tastes like watermelon, but it's just yellow. And it's, let's say, giving sugarcane vibes. Like, it has this, under taste that tastes like sugarcane. I don't know if you know sugarcane. Yeah, but I really like this one. Maybe because I like watermelon on a norm, but this is definitely giving sugarcane. This is plum and this is plum too. I think today I just ended up comparing so many fruits, like the different types or the species. I don't know, is this species? Anywho. So this is plum, the popular plum that we know, and this is also plum, the yellow one. So I'm going to try them and compare and contrast. Okay. Okay. This one is definitely sweeter. I stick with this in my chest. This one is sweeter. This one is, it kind of has that slappy vibe. I don't know if you know, in Nigeria they call it agbalumo, or how was the name English name? They told me the English name for agbalumo is cherry. Yeah, so it kind of tastes like cherry. Yeah, kind of tastes like cherry, and it has a slappy taste. So I really like this, but I love this. It's really nice. One last thing, this one is kind of chewy. Like, this one has that, but it's very minimal. This one is very, I don't know if you guys can hear, but it really has that chewy vibe. So I'm definitely going to stick with this plum. We have come to the end of this video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you would like me to do another mukbang, please let me know. If you have tried any of these fruits, please do not forget to let me know in the comment section what your thoughts are on maybe the yellow watermelon, dragon fruit, or any other fruit that you've tried. So just let me know if you tasted it the same way or you like it. And if you haven't tasted any or some of them, I think this, you know when TikTok says, this is a sign for you to taste more fruits. Exactly. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.